What's up, madlang people? Gulat kayo, no? Akala nyo si Papa Piolo? Nagkakamali kayo. Di din to si Arnold Clavio. Ako nga po pala si Paul Bonin Vargas ng Muntinlupa sa labas. At naniniwala ko sa kasabihang, ang naglalakad ng matulin, may vlog na tatapusin. So what's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is Paul Bonin Vargas of Zebianmnl. So we have finally reached our 700th subscriber. Nabubulod-bulod ako dun, pasensya na. As I have promised, mamimigay tayo ng personal letter play button award ko. Like this one. And before we go to that, welcome muna to our segment, which is the Zebianmnl Shoutout. Alright, we have just seen the first part of the Zebianmnl shoutout, wherein tutulong tayo sa mga small YouTubers or content creators gaya ko na ma-reach out natin yung audiences natin by using our channel. So again, please do subscribe to them also, and let's have them grow for their channels. So again, our goal for today is give someone the letter play button award, and that one, the letter play button award, the second letter play button award goes to Dan Brenio of BETTERDANVLOGS.
What's going on, guys? Welcome for another video again, guys, and this time if you haven't heard me before, guys, I'm Dan. I do random vlogs every week. So day off ko ngayon, that's why nagsushoot ako ng video ko ngayon. So if you're new to my channel, guys, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga future videos ko every week. How do I get my first 1,000 subscribers here in my YouTube channel, guys? So gagawin ko tong video na to just to inspire you in a little bit, kasi hindi ko na-achieve yung YouTube subscribe, yung first 1,000 subscriber ko sa YouTube in a small run. Na-achieve ko siya in a long run. Madami sa panahon ngayon nag-struggle. Alam mo to kung YouTuber ka or small YouTuber ka, kung napapanood mo tong video na to, guys, dami-daming upload na sa YouTube pero napaka-konti pa ng subscribers. So gagawin ko tong video na to, guys, magbibigay ako ng 10 tips to gain your first 1,000 subscribers here in YouTube. So before we proceed to the video, guys, I would like to do a shout out first for my Facebook friends and YouTube friends, and also shout out po sa aming grupo na Vloggers Philippines, kasi na-reach na namin yung first 5,000 members sa Facebook community namin. Don't forget also to follow me on social media at BETTERDANVLOGS. First one is quality. Quality, guys, hindi mo naman kailangan magkaroon ng magagandang gear like lightning or DSLR, SLR camera para magkaroon ng quality video. Ang importante lang, guys, start lang kung ano meron ka, kahit ano man yan, kahit phone lang. Guys, ako ginagamit ko ngayon is yung phone ko. Lahat ng videos ko sa YouTube, pag nakita mo yung lahat, puro phone yung gamit ko. Pumunta ka lang sa mga perfect na place para mag-vlog, like wala kang lightning. Pumunta ka lang sa maliwanag na lugar, kasi guys, kung yung quality ng video mo is minsan hindi ka na nakikita, yung ngipin mo lang yung nakikita, hindi. Pwede ka manood ng mga videos sa YouTube, your DIY, paano magkaroon ng vlogging setup. So yun nga, guys, yung quality. Ang pinaka-importante, start with your own gear. Hindi importante yung napakamahal or napaka-expensive na mga equipment. Start with your phone lang. Kung anong meron ka, yun yung gamitin. What's up, everybody? Welcome for another video again. This time, guys, if you haven't met before, I'm Dan. I do random vlogs every week, guys. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, guys, please do subscribe to my channel, guys. As you seen on the title of this video, guys, ito ay related na naman sa vlogging na naman po. comment ng video mo, guys.
Alright, so kung may letter play button award si Dan Brenio of BETTERDANVLOGS, like this one, syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang Vloggers Philippines. Alright, so you now can finally avail of our leather play button awards, like this one. Yung requirements lang for this one is you need to have at least 500 subscribers and you have to pay 2,500 pesos for this one. That includes the shipping fee, and 500 pesos of the total fee will be donated to Chris Library, which is founded by Arizonocum. By the way, Chris Library is a non-government organization that are helping less privileged kids to read and to write. And 500 pesos donation will be under your name. So, nagka-letter play button ka na, nakatulong ka pa.
We are here to motivate, to inspire, a starter community for every content creator with over 30,000 influencers inside the community around the globe. Philippines, UAE, USA, United Kingdom, Australia, Japan, Singapore, South Korea, India, Canada, and Taiwan. So what are you waiting for? Join our fastest growing community now. Vloggers Philippines, be one of us.
Happy
30,000.
Happy 30,000.
Happy 30,000.
Happy 30,000.
Happy 30,000.
Happy 30,000.
Happy 30,000.
Happy 30,000.
Happy 30,000.
Members, vloggers.
Members Vloggers.
Members, vloggers.
Vloggers Philippines.
Members, vloggers Philippines.
Vloggers Philippines.
Vloggers Philippines.
Be one of us.
Be one of us.
Alright, so Vloggers Philippines is a Facebook community group. Meron din sila sa IG and sa TikTok. And di ko alam kung mag-expand pa sila sa ibang social media. Pero they are mostly in Facebook. So, Vloggers Philippines, like this one, yung shirt ko, they are a community na tumutulong sa small vloggers or content creators gaya ko na ma-expand and mag-learn pa or mag-grow kung ano yung nararapat na itamang content. So, we are, or the group is avoiding sub for sub or the VCLS or watch to watch kasi mas gusto ng group na mag-grow organically and syempre mag-grow na based dun sa audience mo. Kaya yun yung isa sa reason kaya I am giving the award to both to Dan Brenio and the Vloggers Philippines community. Actually, yung Vloggers Philippines community is a group founded by Dan Brenio and some of his friends. So, kaya naisip ko, make it 2-in-1 na lang. So again, that's our video for today. And if you like this video, please do like, comment, and share. And syempre, don't forget to subscribe. Kasi karamihan ng viewers natin, hindi subscribers eh. Pero syempre, subscribe ka na. And if you're a new vlogger or content creator, don't forget to join Vloggers Philippines. Thank you guys. Diyos mabalos!